mommy one here. We'll put mommy's in the pink one.
Where's the pink one? There's the
Did you see your blue one back here that we made?
Oh, I need some more.
Alright, you hang on to the top. Okay, let's put it in the pink. Drop it down slow. There we go. Toggle it off. Perfect.
Good
job.
What do you call mine?
And we need to do yours because you need a blue one, right?
Wait.
Put Marshall's name on one.
We call mine B. We call mine
Okay, you hang on to that part.
Okay.
We'll try not to get so much. Perfect. Nope, just do it off gently. Nope, down a little bit. There you go. Perfect.
We need more.
Okay. Oops, hang on to that.
He got me.
It got you, didn't it?
Yeah, I got all dirty.
You got all dirty?
Yeah.
Alright, let's put a yellow one in. Hang on to it. There we go. Drop it in good. Perfect. You're a pro. Put the dipper down. Still got some